Take your course to the next level by integrating Jitsi Meet with LifterLMS, allowing you to hold the live classes or meetings with the students anywhere. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard, head over to the plugin section, and search for Jitsi Meet. Install and activate the plugin. Once it's activated, navigate to the course where you would like to add live meetings. Click on the Builder menu for the course and choose the lesson you want to edit. For this tutorial, we will use Jitsi Meet's Gutenberg block. To add a meeting, navigate to the section where you want to add it. Type a / and then search for Jitsi Meet. After you have added the meeting to your course, you will get the meeting settings on the right-hand sidebar, where you can rename your meeting and adjust the height and width of the embedded meeting window. From this sidebar, you will also find various other settings to help you customize your live class experience. Once you have configured everything to your preference, hit save and that's it. You have successfully integrated Jitsi Meet into your course, allowing you to hold live lessons with your students anytime. You can further enhance your live meeting experience by upgrading to Jitsi Meet Premium to hold recurring meetings and get features like recording, transcription, WooCommerce integration, and more. And that's it for today. Take care.